Okay. Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS upgraded TUF Gaming A14 gaming laptop. So friends, the upgraded TUF Gaming A14 gaming laptop, it's powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 7350 CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU housed in incredible portable and lightweight 14-inch form factor chassis. And the TUF Gaming A14 is a perfect companion for any gamer on the go. So friends, the RTA 5060 laptop GPU is truly prime and ready for latest AAA and eSport games, and this card features the latest DLSS suite of technologies which use AI and neural rendering to boost FPS, reduce latency and improve image quality. And the latest breakthrough, the DLSS Pro, bringing the new multi-frame generation and enhanced ray reconstruction and super resolution powered by the RTA 50 series GPU and 5th generation Tensor core. So friend, AMD Ryzen AI 7 370 processor with 8 core and 16 thread and built-in NPU capable of 50 TOPS of AI performance and gaming and multitasking workhouse. This chip is able to easily power the latest AAA any sport title, all while running the user favorite customization apps. The laptop weighed only 1.46 kg and the measure just 1.69 centimeter thickness, and despite this dimension, the A14 support up to NVIDIA RTX 5060 laptop GPU with 110-watt maximum TGP in manual mode and dual channel LPDDR5 memory as well as two M.2 2280 SSD slot. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.